In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Pipedrive with Zapier 2026 guide. Before we dive in, a quick overview. Pipedrive is your CRM hub for deals, contacts, and activities, and Zapier is the automation bridge that connects Pipedrive to thousands of other apps without code. By linking the two, you can automatically create tasks, update spreadsheets, send notifications, and more whenever something changes in Pipedrive. Make sure you're logged in to the correct Pipedrive workspace and that you have a Zapier account ready. If your company uses admin permissions, you may need the right access to approve the connection. Start inside your Pipedrive account. Look to the top navigation bar and open the Marketplace. It's where Pipedrive lists official integrations and partner apps. If you don't see it, try expanding your window or checking with an admin. Once the Marketplace opens, use the search to find Zapier. This is the official Zapier app for Pipedrive, so you'll know you're in the right place when you see Zapier's listing and description about connecting Pipedrive to other tools. Open the Zapier app page and click Authorize. This step allows Zapier to securely access your Pipedrive data so it can watch for updates and perform actions you permit. You'll be shown what permissions are being requested. Review them carefully. These typically include reading and updating deals, contacts, and related items, so automations can run reliably. If your company has multiple Pipedrive accounts, confirm you're authorizing the correct one. You'll then be redirected to Zapier to complete the handshake. Click Yes. Continue to Pipedrive to confirm the connection. This confirms to Zapier that you approve the integration and lets Zapier securely store the connection token. If you use multi-factor authentication, have your method ready. In case you see a blank screen or a looping page, disable any pop-up blockers for a moment and try again, or refresh the page and repeat the approval. That's it. The connection is live. From here, Zapier can see Pipedrive as a connected app, and Pipedrive recognizes Zapier as an approved integration. You can now build automations that trigger when a deal is created, a stage changes, or a person is added, and have Zapier perform follow-up actions in your other tools. If you ever need to change or remove access, you can manage the integration from your account settings in either platform. And if an automation doesn't run as expected, double-check that you authorize the right workspace and that you have permission to access the specific data the automation needs. Thanks for watching. With Pipedrive and Zapier connected, you're ready to save time and reduce manual work across your sales stack.